Welcome to Cigzon ERP. In this video, you will learn about the income tax slab in payroll. Go to the income tax slab by searching for it in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Income Tax Slab. Set the name and effective from. Go to the Taxable Salary Slabs and click Add Row. Set from amount to amount, percent deduction, and condition. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, go to the salary structure again by searching it in the Awesome bar. Click on Add Salary Structure. Set the name and leave the encashment amount per day and max benefits. Now, go to the Earnings and Deductions tab. In the Earnings section, click on Add Row. Set the component, abbreviation, amount, depends on payment days, is tax applicable, and amount based on formula and formula. Now, go to the Deductions section and click Add Row. Set the component, abbreviation, and amount, depending on payment days, tax applicable, and amount based on formula and formula. Now, go to the Accounts tab and set the mode of payment and payment account. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Now, you go to the Salary Structure Assignment from the Connections. Click on Salary Structure Assignment. Click on Add Salary Structure Assignment. Set the employee name, salary structure, from date, and income tax slab. Now, go to the Base and Variable section and set the base and variable amount. Now, go to the Payroll Cost Center section and click on Add Row. Set the cost center and percentage. Click on Save and then click on Submit. Congratulations, you have completed the income tax slab in payroll.